Today we are going to revise now the chapter haloalkene and haloarine. So first we shall see what are the different methods to prepare haloalkenes. We have done that earlier also, but even then to revise. Now haloalkenes means in place of hydrogen of an alkane you have a halogen atom. The halogen can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, that is the elements of group 17. Now specifically here I am talking about for chloroethane, what are the different methods of preparation. I hope you can take it for general for different alkanes. So if you take the first method, if you take ethane and you react with chlorine, so this is called free radical substitution mechanism. In presence of sunlight the reaction take place. How many type of hydrogen does it have? The hydrogen would be replaced and you will get that number of products. So you get a monochloro product called as chloroethane. Second is by the addition reaction. Addition means the double bond from alkene to alkane, haloalkane you can make by adding HX to get a monochloroalkane. So monochloro, how will you get? When you add HCl. Now whenever HCl or HX is added, it will follow Markovnikov's rule. So here the alkene is symmetrical. So to one place H and to one place Cl. Ethanol, HCl, when you react in presence of ZnCl2 and heat, this is the third method, and in this reagent is called as Lucas reagent and the OH is replaced by Cl atom. Next, from alcohol by reacting it with PCl3 or PCl5, the OH would be replaced by Cl and you get chloroalkane. And SOCl2, that is cyanide chloride, is called as Darzin's process and we get chloroethene. So these are the different methods to prepare haloalkene. Alkane के लिए specific है, this is the method. So you need to know the method, the conditions, like over here you require sunlight. When you react you require free radical substitution. When you are reacting with HCl for alcohol you require ZnCl2 for Lucas reagent. Thionyl chloride, generally it takes place in presence of solvent pyridine, so that neutrality is maintained. So these are the method for the preparation of chloroethane specifically that are we talking about. Now here you can see that from chloroethane what other compounds can be formed. So here we are dealing with the chemical properties of haloalkane. So when you react chloroethane with zinc or HCl or hydrogen palladium, it is called as reduction. This is the reaction named as reduction. Then you get in place of Cl you will get H, so it's a reduction. Chloroethane, when you react with magnesium and dry ether, it's the formation of Grignard reagent, so you get alkyl magnesium halide. Now when you are having chloroalkane and you react with alcoholic KOH, then it will undergo elimination reaction to give alkene, dehydrohalogenation. And when you react with aqueous KOH, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. With aqueous KOH you get Cl replaced by OH. When you react it with NH3, the Cl is replaced by NH2 and you get an amine. Similarly, when you react with sodium and dry ether, Wood's reaction take place and you get higher alkane. So first we saw how to make chloroalkane. Now we are seeing from chloroalkane what all things we can make, what are the different reactions. Now the next, if you see chloroethane, when you react with C2H5ONA, it is a strong base. It's Williamson synthesis reaction. ONA, you will have Na and Cl reacting with each other. NaCl is a byproduct and you get ether. So this is Williamson synthesis reaction. With Ki, I would be replaced by I will replace Cl atom. With KCN, aqueous KCN, it's an ambident ligand, but KCN will give CN cyanide and AgCN will give isocyanide. C2H5Cl with AgF, it's fluorinating reaction called that Schwarz reaction to give fluoroethane. So these are the different chemical properties of chloroethane. Even when you react with AgCN you get isocyanide. KNO2, ONO, that is O nitrito and AgNO2 it's nitro, and with silver carboxylic acid you get ester. So these are the different nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is what we have dealt. We have seen the preparation of haloalkane, that is chloroethane, and from chloroethane what are the different things that we can make by different reactions. Some is substitution, some is addition, some is reduction. Few reactions are dehydrohalogenation, that is elimination. So you can make different product from chloroethane.